This video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware that is called FantaroX. FantaroX is a malicious program based on the Chaos ransomware family. It is designed to encrypt data and then demand payment for the decryption. Obviously, before the ransomware attack, you can open any files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation pretty easily. But the point is that the ransomware, FantaroX, and other threats may be easily injected into the system, and then pretty soon you will realize that something bad has happened with the files and that you cannot access these files anymore. FantaroX ransomware encrypts the files, and then after the encryption it adds a special extension to them without letting people use these files anymore. And so now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the FantaroX extension. The ransomware also places this ransomware note on your computer screen. And judging by the text, it looks like this message is in the Hungarian language. The ransomware demands from the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. It also quotes this email address, but contacting these criminals does not mean that you would get your files recovered. And you can also clearly see that the ransomware changes this desktop background. To remove the ransomware, I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner, you probably will need to go to Internet Explorer browser and go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So use this official website to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Use this green download button for downloading it. Install the application and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus, by the way, is available both for Mac and for Windows computers, but this particular ransomware, of course, targets Windows computers only. The scanning itself might take several minutes, depending on how infected your computer is. While the scanning takes place, you may pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. Then at the end of the scanning, you will be able to see the whole summary of the threats which were revealed during the scan. You'll be able to know the locations of these threats, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure, and your entire computer always clean and protected.